Let's prepare to enter a time of meditation together. Just take a deep breath. And as you let that breath out, allow your muscles to soften. Allow your shoulders to maybe droop slightly. Notice any tension in your jaw, in your forehead, in your back, in your neck. Wherever you hold tension, let it go. This is a time for us to be in this sacred space together, co-creating together, focusing on this idea of freedom. In my heart, I see a little cage. And in that cage, I see something fluttering. In that cage, there's a butterfly. The last of the summer's butterflies, the last of autumn's butterfly before the cold sets in. There's that little butterfly in a cage. And in my mind, as I step towards that cage, I know that I have the key to unlock that cage and set that little creature free. That key is my heart. My heart is the key that fits that door. And as I move towards that cage, my heart expands into that lock. And that lock opens. The door opens. And this little butterfly flutters out. Flutters around my head as if to say, thankfully, thankful. I'm so thankful that you released me. Flutters by and flutters on. We all have things in us that are caged. We all sometimes put other thoughts, put others in a cage. Can we release all today? Your heart is the key that opens the cage. Any thoughts of pain, any thoughts of regret, those thoughts can be released too. Your heart is the key. Open the cage. And as you open the cage for yourself, you can open the cage for another. Your heart is the key. It's the key to freedom for all of us. Let's take that image of pure, absolute freedom. Take that into the silence in your heart and open the cage. And as we breathe in, and as we breathe out, know that you are free. I am free. Our freedom. And be ye thankful. And so it is.